Next topic, the right to equality. The six fundamental rights. One is the right to equality. Second one is right to freedom. Third one is rights against exploitations. Fourth one is right to religions. And fifth one is cultural and educational rights. Sixth one, right to constitutional remedies. So the first one is right to equality. The article 14 to 18. So article 14 to 18, right to equality. So all are equal. So first one is article 14, equality before the law. Before the law, equality before the law. சட்டத்தின் முன் அனைவரும் சமம். Article 14, equality before law. Article 16, the prohibitions of the discriminations. Prohibitions, the remains your stop, the ban of the discriminations, the வேறுபாடு, the discriminations, the prohibitions of the discriminations on grounds of the religions. So Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Zoroastrianism, Buddhism, Chinism. So Asia prohibitions of the discriminations and the race colors, white and blackers or Mongolians, like that. That is here prohibitions. The caste, SC, ST, MPC, OPC, like that. It's here caste, sex, female, male and female. Or the place of birth. Some of the is birth in villages or town or cities or metropolitan cities, the capitals. So is the article 15, the prohibitions of the discriminations of the religions, race, caste, sex and place of birth. Third one is article 16, equality of opportunity in the matter of public employment. So all are equal in the public employment, that is the government service, government job. So the equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Next one is article 17, abolitions of the untouchability. Abolition, that is a neutral, remove. So the abolitions of the untouchabilities. And article 18, abolitions of the title, abolitions of title except the military and the academic, military and academic. So article 14 to articles 18 is a right to equality. Article 14, equality before the law. Article 15, prohibitions of the discriminations of the race, place of birth, sex, like that. Article 16, equality opportunity of the public employment. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Article 18, abolition of titles except the militaries and academic. Next topic, right to freedom. Next topic, right to freedom. Article 19 to 22. 19 to 22, right to freedom. First one is articles 19, the freedom of speech. The freedom of speech and the expressions. The freedom of the expressions and assembly, the kutams, the freedom of the assemblies, the freedom of associations, the movement and residence and the professional tolils. So these are articles 19, freedom of speech, expressions, association, movement and the residents and professionals. Article 20, the protections of in respect of the convictions of offense. That means a kutram. So the protections in respect of convictions of offense. So that means of this. So பாதுகாப்பும் உரிமை. Article 21, the protections of life and personal liberty. Article 21A, right to elementary educations. Right to elementary educations. Article 22, the protections against the arrest and the detentions, certain cases. So the right to freedom, Article 19 to 22. Article 19 right to freedom, speech, expression, assemblies, associations, movement, residents and professionals. Article 20, the protections of respect of convictions of for assembly offense. 21, the protections of life and personal liberty. 21A, the right to elementary school educations. 22, the protections against the arrest and detentions in certain cases. Next topic for this, rights against the exploitations in 19 rights against the exploitations, articles 23 and 24. Article 23, the prohibitions of the traffic in the human beings and forced to labor. That means கொத்தடிமை, கட்டாய வேலை, and is a human being, மனித தன்மையற்ற செயல்ஸ். So the prohibitions of the traffic in human being and forced labors, கட்டாய வேலை, கொத்தடிமை, மனித தன்மையற்ற வியாபாரத்தை தடுத்தல். So the prohibitions, that is a தடுத்தல். The prohibitions of the traffic in the human beings and forced labors. Article 24, the prohibitions of the employment of the child in factory. So Article 24, the prohibitions in employment of children in factories, extras.